Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. Today we're gonna fix an issue in which your network adapter are missing from your Windows or from a device manager. Let's go ahead and proceed. Open your settings menu, click on update and security and choose the option Windows Update. Make sure your Windows is up to date. If the updates are pending, you need to install the latest updates by clicking over here, download and install, and then restart your system and check if the problem is there or not. If it is still there, we are going to proceed to the second step. In second step, click on the start menu and type CMD. Run CMD as an admin mode. Now type here a command Netcfg /d. This command will clean up your network devices. Now hit the enter button. As it is showing that the successfully removed all the objects and I need to reboot the computer. So once done, make sure you restart your system and now go ahead and check if the problem is there or not. If the problem still persists, in third step, we are going to type few commands one by one. First you need to type here Netsh winsock reset, then hit the enter button. Now it has successfully reset the winsock and it is asking me to restart the system. Now the second command is netsh int ip reset. Again hit the enter button. Once you complete the command, make sure you restart your system after entering each command to make the process should go as per the guidelines of the command. Once it is completed, type exit and close the command prompt. Now go ahead and check if the problem is there or not. If it is still there, we are going to proceed to the fourth step. Right click on this PC and choose the option manage. Choose the option device manager over here. Now click on the action tab and click on add legacy hardware. Click on the next button. Now choose the second option, which is the advanced one, and from here choose your network adapters that are missing from your system. Click on the next button. Now it will start retrieving the list of the network adapters. Depending upon the adapter you have, choose the adapter and then click on the next button to install the latest adapter in your system. Once the adapter are installed, your next step is open your settings menu, choose network and internet over here. Now click on change adapter options. Now here you will find the Wi-Fi of your network. The name of Wi-Fi is Intel Dual Band Wireless AC 7265. Note down this name and open your web browser. Type the name as it is, Intel Dual Band Wireless, and next to it write drivers and then hit the enter button. Open the first link, which is the Intel official website. Here filter it with the operating system you have and click on the option Intel Wireless Bluetooth for Windows 10. Download the drivers 64-bit or 32-bit depending upon the type of system you have. Once downloaded, this one is the downloaded file. Double click on this file to run the application and then install these drivers automatically in your system. Once the drivers are installed, go ahead and restart your system. This will shortly sort out your issue. If somehow the problem still persists, the last option is to again open your settings menu and choose update and security. Choose the recovery tab and click on the get started button. Choose the first option, keep my files, so that your files won't be deleted at all. This option will completely reset your system and fix out your issue. If somehow the problem still persists, kindly comment below so that I can try to find more ways for the resolution. As of now, that's it about it, friends. If you like this tutorial, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.